Welcome to TelcoBridges in the Wild, a look at real-time communications technology in action, featuring customer case studies from around the industry. In this video, we talk with Aircall, a cloud-based communications platform that serves customers in 84 countries and has some unique provisioning and network monitoring challenges. Explaining their solution is Pierre-Baptiste Béchu, the Director of Platform and Infrastructure, who joined us earlier this month for a webinar on RESTful APIs and ProSBC use cases. Let's listen as Pierre-Baptiste provides more insight on Aircall, their challenges and solutions, delivering a cloud-based business communications offering. All right, so Pierre-Baptiste, you're on deck here. So wanted to start with introducing us to Aircall and tell us a little bit about the company.
Thank you, Alan, for the intro. So Aircall, let me give you the elevator pitch, I would say. So it's a cloud-based phone system for companies. We allow our customers to buy phone numbers in more than 80 countries around the world and to make and receive calls through applications. Through these applications available on all platforms, Mac, Windows, the web browser Chrome, iOS and Android, they can collaborate on calls, transfer, assign, tag, take notes, and most importantly, they can transfer the data back and forth to the tools they are already using, like Salesforce, HubSpot, many help desk and CRMs. So we started to build this product and this company 7 years ago now. And we are with quite some success with around 60K users, 5K customers as companies. And we are now around 350 employees based in 2 offices, main technological one in Paris and sales one in New York.
That's great. And congratulations too on that Series C funding. $65 million will go a long ways, I'm sure, to helping to grow the business.
The main opportunity there would be to open up to the Asian markets.
Right. So, which takes us to the challenges. We had talked in advance that you had a handful of challenges when you were originally designing your platform, and it would be great if you could share those.
Yeah, so for us, one of the growing challenges we had since the beginning was the 2 things, mostly around call quality and reliability. And in order to do that in all geographies, I would say, we address the worldwide market, we had to find local partners in each of these areas. So in order to find this local partner, we needed to interconnect with them, and that's where we needed to find a solution to do it quickly and efficiently in order to keep, as I say, the 2 main challenges for us, call quality and reliability all over the world.
Right. And as part of that, of course, was you wanted to be 100% cloud-based, and you had committed to use AWS as part of your platform choice, right?
Yeah, since the beginning, we are working with AWS. So for us, it was a no-brainer that the solution has to be cloud ready from day one.
Right. And I think also one of the things you noted was that you wanted to be, automate the process as much as possible so that you could quickly spin up new regions, new geographies without physically going out there or manually doing it.
Yeah, that was I was suggesting by quick and efficient. For us, it's we are fond of automation everywhere, from everything that's related to infrastructure or software. So the solution has to, for first challenge we wanted to address, was also related to this part.
Got it. Good. Okay, let's talk about your solution then. And I love the way that you've put together this. So let's get to it.
Yeah, so we discovered the product ProSBC around 2 years and a half ago, and we started using it and benchmarking it. We used since the beginning the AWS deployment of it through the AMI that was provided by TelcoBridges there. And so we started by deploying one manually, and we quickly needed to automate, as I said earlier, in order to be quick and efficient in the deployment and interconnection of ProSBC. We needed to use the API provided by the product. So that's through this API, we are doing everything from provisioning, configuring, adding some routes, removing some routes, and handling also multiple environments, because we have, of course, testing environments and also production environments, and we don't want the same routing on each of these ones. Also, one part what was really important for us in the reliability of the calls was really the monitoring of them. So we are also fetching through the API the metrics that comes from the SBCs themselves, and we are pushing them to our own monitoring tools in order to integrate them in our infrastructure monitoring.
That's great. I think one of the other things that for me was quite a surprise. Also, you use APIs to provision, the AWS platform too. I think you shared with me. Yes,
exactly. So provisioning the ProSBC itself and configuring through the ProSBC API is something that we do since 2 years now.
Right. Yeah, very good. Well, I know as we talked, it made a big difference in your ability to deliver a reliable platform, and you shared some results.
Yeah, so mainly for us, the main results was to ensure, as I said since the beginning, the call quality and reliability for all our customers all over the world. And thanks to this API and provisioning things like this, we have been able to replicate the configuration over multiple geographies. And so we are now able to spin up, I would say, a new SBC, a new interconnection with a carrier in less than an hour, which is for us a great advantage when we need to quickly either scale a specific geography or create a new market, for example. So our also that's also allows us in the future to design tailor-made solution, because we know that we won't spend too much time on configuring the network, but much more on the routings and network strategy with the other providers.
Right. Wonderful. And as I noted on the slide here, I think one of the key things is, your team now is able to focus on other things instead of having to spend a lot of time managing the network infrastructure. It gives you, lets you apply resources to things that really differentiate your business, which is great, which is awesome.
Yeah, we spend most of our time to ensure the call quality and reliability by configuring routes and not network interconnections or basic configurations that are already automated.
Right. Well, congratulations. It's a great story.
Thank you.
We like to ride along with your growth, and we're excited to see everything that happens. So appreciate you sharing that story.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks for watching TelcoBridges on YouTube. For more from TelcoBridges, click on the box over here and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new content.